Hey, you guys, welcome back to FedBiz Exchange. I'm Michelle Brown, your coach and your mentor. And you know what time it is. It's time for Ask Michelle B. So let's get into it. Today's question is from Zaretha. I am third-party WOSB certified through WeBank. When I go to Beta.Certify.SBA.gov, the certification is there, but on Certified.SBA.gov, it says I self-certified and does not show the WeBank third-party certification. So Zaretha, you're actually experiencing a problem with your information transferring from the old WOSB system to the new WOSB system on Beta.sam. Just so you guys know, everything is transferring onto the new Beta.sam.gov system. They're combining everything. And right now, all of your WOSB information should be on the new system, which is the Beta.sam system. And if you haven't done this or you don't know about this, I will put the link in the comment section below so that you can make sure that your information is showing properly in the new system. But Zaretha, you need to keep in mind that the old system for WOSB is totally going away. Therefore, you can't look at the information in the old system to be correct or current. Maybe during the transition, they messed up some things. They claim that you should be able to see the same information and that a lot of information transferred, but you can't trust that. So one important note is that the process is now being validated by the SBA office, meaning when you submit your WOSB certification information, they are validating that information, so it takes a little bit longer for them to approve you. You may need to completely resubmit your information. So the first thing you need to do is make sure your WeBank third-party certification is still current. Make sure you look at the dates, okay? Before you call WeBank, I want you to talk to the SBA. You can either click on the link in the comment section below to send in a form with your information, or you can call your local SBA office in your state. All you need to do is Google your local SBA office and tell them you need help with your WOSB. Now, they may send you back to Washington, D.C. via email, but get someone's attention. You just have a few questions. They should be able to answer those questions. And then lastly, they should provide you with the correct information in the new system, even if that means you need to resubmit your information. And when I say the correct information, I mean they should tell you the things that you need to do to update and ensure that your information in the Beta.sam system is correct. I also put a guide in the comment section. So all you have to do is click on that guide for third-party certifications. The answers to some of your questions may be in there, but you do need to talk to the SBA regarding your WOSB to make sure you're doing things correctly. Lastly, when you contact the SBA office, be very specific. Let them know that your WOSB was already approved through WeBank. It was set up properly in the first system, in the old system, but since the move and the migration to the new Beta.Certify.SBA.gov system, your third-party certification is not showing correctly. Ask them specifically, what do you need to do? And then if you also have a contract under your WOSB certification, make sure you tell them it's urgent that you get this corrected because you have a contract and you do not want this to affect your contract. Okay, thank you, Zaretha, and I look forward to hearing from you again. I hope everything works out for you.